Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M05 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with open your contact list, tap on the contacts, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So for example this one, tap on this info icon, of course give all the permissions, and let me quickly tap on edit and remove this photo. So this is what you will basically see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So all you can do is to either tap on the camera and your device will open the camera app. So this is obviously the best choice if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose something from the gallery, and I will choose this option. So let me tap on it. Let's find the photo, and now in this step you can change the size of this highlighted square. You can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on done, and this is what you will see. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save. And here we've got our contact. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.